Downloading your account data from Wise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and download your information. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Before changing your settings, use the Azure.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option. This is usually found in the menu or profile section of the website or app. Step 3. Find the data export option. In the account settings, search for a section related to data or privacy. Here, you should find an option to export or download your account data. Step 4. Select data format and range. When prompted, choose the format in which you want to download your data, such as CSV or PDF, and specify a date range for the data you need. Step 5. Download the data. After making your selections, confirm the download. The data will be prepared and a download link will be provided. Click the link to save the file to your device. Now you have successfully downloaded your account data from Wise. If you have any questions or need further assistance, consider reaching out to Wise Support.